Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to add maximum order quantity limit in Shopify. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to customize your Shopify online store by yourself without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. Also, if you are very beginner and wanted to learn how to design, customize and development Shopify online store and want to make money from online as a Shopify expert, then you can also follow this video. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to my website. This is one of Shopify website under development, and I'm going to open a product. For example, open this one. Okay, and going to add quantity 1 to 3 for now, and click on the add to cart. Perfect, the product added to cart, you see. Okay, but we wanted to add maximum limit to add product quantity in here. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then click online store, then click on this three dot icon, edit code. Now you have to simply find a file, the file name main cart item. So let me find the file, search main cart. Then you can see here is the main cart item.liquid file under section folder. So click on this file to open it. Now simply press Ctrl F from your keyboard. Then you have to find one line of code and type data cart quantity and press enter or next. Here is the line of code that we are looking, and here I want to share something in details how it's work and how we can add this P chart or add maximum order quantity limit. So you see here is a condition: if item variant quantity rule max not equal none, max item variant quantity rules end if there is a condition how much they can add. So in this code snippet here, actually the condition as you see if and end if. Okay, so here simply we have to do few customize or update with ready code snippet. So first of all, we have to remove this line of code. Okay, if item variant quantity rule max, we have to remove it. Okay, then simply add another line of code. This line of code looks very carefully and compare with above line of code. We are going to add this code data max on the above data min item variant quantity rules. That's mean it's very similar, just minimum maximum. Okay, then after data max, you see max variant quantity rule max, you see here we have to add the maximum quantity that we want to it totally based on your requirement. For now we just add 2, and as we already removed the if, we must have to remove the end if also. Okay, so now it's ready to get the result. So click on the save. Now go back our website, remove this item from the cart, go to the home page, make a refresh, make double refresh, because sometimes cookies don't give us update result. It's very common. Okay, as a developer you have to know about that. Okay, so we are going to scroll down, and for now I'm going to open this one, this product, and click on the add to cart button. Add to cart. Wow, the item has been added on the cart, and you see there is a effect, and also make an inquiry with pop-up. This is advanced picture of Shopify product page. You will find all these tutorials in my YouTube channel. A lot of things, how to add payment icon, inquiry button, a lot of things. Okay, for now we are going to focus on our work. We have added the item on the cart and go to the cart page again, and here you can see that the cart quantity, the product quantity is 1, we're going to click on the plus 2. And if I want to add more, I cannot, because it automatically disable. You see, it's working. So I hope you understand how we have added these rules in our Shopify store. Also, if you want to change it, you have to just change the maximum limit. For example, you can add max limit 5, click on the save and reload, and now you see it's working. Click on the make it 3, 4, 5, and now we cannot, it automatically disable. So I hope you understand everything very easily, and you can do it by yourself without any coding skill, without hiring any developer. And now the big question is that where you will get the ready code snippet. You can check out the link in the video description. You will get the free code snippet. Also, if you need any more support, you can comment on the below. You can join my Facebook group to get support. You can join my WhatsApp group. So I am available in all the platform to communicate very fast with me, and you can send me message anywhere like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, by email or WhatsApp. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.